Play and shine.
Hi guys, today we are making a blind box with this mystery. I got it from Target. And now let's open it.
Open it, see what you get. It's a surprise box. And this is Wings of Fire.
It's a blue!
It's a blue one.
It's where you get to put it on your arm.
You could put it on your wrist, like a bracelet. Show them how you put it on your wrist. So it looks like it's hugging you.
There's 8 dragons to collect.
Yeah, how many total? Show them. Like that. Which one did you get?
I get this one.
It's called Tsunami.
Oh, I think the other one was this one.
The black one, yeah. It says Moros, Sir, Blister, Queen Scarlet, Sunny, Starflight, Glory, Tsunami, and Clay.
So, mommy.
So friends, like which one do you guys want? You can ask your mom and dad to take you to a store and buy one, and hopefully you can collect all 8. But today we got Tsunami. So this is what Tsunami looks like. Let's turn it this way so that they can see it. Ta-da! So cute.